Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us start a new lesson, the hack driver. It is written by Sinclair Lewis and it is from your Footprints Without Feet textbook. In the title, hack means horse cart. So the title meaning is the horse cart driver. And this lesson is about a young lawyer who comes to village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. Young lawyer, he comes to village in order to serve summons to Oliver Lutkins. What do you mean by summons? Summons means order to be present in court order. In order to be present in the court on the particular day. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. When he came to that village, a friendly cart driver, takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. That hack driver helps lawyer in order to search Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is Lutkins? Then does that lawyer find Lutkins? Then who was that person? Lutkins. About all these things we are going to see in the lesson. Now let us start the lesson. After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in the magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but serve summons like a chief private detective. Yes, after graduating with honors, after graduating with distinction, I became a junior assistant clerk in magnificent law firm. I means here narrator, lawyer. Okay. I became junior assistant clerk in magnificent law firm. In a law office, he became a clerk, and that law firm was very famous one, magnificent one. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but to serve summons like chief private detective. Then he was not assigned the work of preparing legal briefs. Legal briefs means important documents related to a case. Such significant work was not given to him. Then what was his work? Serve summons was his work. Okay. Like a chief private detective. His work was similar to the work of chief private detective. Chief private detective, he doesn't have any significant work. Okay, he does some very small works. In the same way, lawyer was, for him, the work of serving summons was given. That was not important work. I had to go to dirty and shadowed corner of city to seek out my victims. So, in order to serve the summons, he had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city. He had to go to dirty and shadowed. Shadowy means dark corners of the city. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. And sometimes, some of the larger and more self-confident persons, they used to beat him. I hated this unpleasant work, and the side of city life it revealed to me. So he hated that unpleasant work. He did not like that work. And he did not like the city life it revealed to him. that kind of dark or unhappy life he did not like. I even considered fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this unpleasant training period. So, he wanted to run away. Fleeing means to run away or to escape. He wanted to escape or he wanted to run away to his village where he could become an independent lawyer. He doesn't want to continue with this training period. He wanted to become independent lawyer in his village. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Malayan to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country. One day he was sent to 40 miles away from the city to a town called New Millions. Okay, he was happy to go there because he did not like the city life, unhappy or unpleasant life of city. So he became very happy to go to that city, New Malayan, to serve someone to a man called Oliver Lutkins. He was sent to that city in order to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. This firm wrote many letters to Lutkins in order to come to court. But he did not come. Okay, they needed him as a witness in a law case. Though they wrote many letters to him, he did not come. That's why, in order to serve him summons, they sent Oliver Lutkins to his native place, New Malayan. When I got to New Malayan, my eager expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops, either painted a sour brown or bare of any paint at all. See, when I got to New Malayan, when he reached that place, his eager expectations of sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. He had some expectation that village will be sweet and simple. But when he reached that place, his expectation became wrong. He was severely disappointed. Its streets were rivers of mud because the streets of that village were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops. In both the sides there were some shops. They were either painted a sour brown, okay, those shops were painted in sour brown color or bare of any paint at all, and some shops they did not have any paint at all. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. Only agreeable sight. Agreeable sight means pleasant sight, happy thing about the place was delivery man at the station. He saw a delivery man at the station. That was happy thing for him. He was about 40. That delivery man was nearly 40 years old man, red-faced, cheerful and thick about the middle. Thick about the middle means fat around the waist. His working clothes were dirty and well worn. He wore the dress several times. Okay, that's why it became dirty and old. And he had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked people, and you felt at once that he liked people. By his way of speaking, by his manner, one could understand that delivery man liked people. I told him, to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. Then this lawyer said to him, I want to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. I want to meet that person. A lawyer said to the delivery man. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.